Howdy. It's been a while, guys. So, yeah, this isn't really an update video. This is a simple, quick little project I'm working on. Yeah, I'm installing this little gas strut here to raise and lower the engine hatch. I've already got it kind of mocked up before. It works great. Just kind of working on installing it now. I screwed up my holes and made like super huge holes for my nut certs and had to re-drill them. But I just look at it as like oil access points for the frame. Anyways, I'm just going to come back in a minute here once this is installed. I've got a little bracket built from some scraps, and I will show you how it works in a minute. Alrighty, so bracket is mounted in there. It's not the beefiest hardware, but honestly, it'll work fine. You'll see this other big hole there. So this is technically adjustable. It depends how much you want to prop the lid open. I had it set on this one earlier, and it just kind of opened the lid 90 degrees. But I kind of want it to go up a bit, so we'll see what it looks like with this. I also had this oriented this way at first. But I don't know. A video said it's better to have them this way because they self-oil slightly. That makes sense. So we'll do it that way. It's pretty easy to change though. So they get another light over here. So this pops on. Pops on. I can remove my head. My head was holding this up. I'm sure many people know that. Okay, let's see if this works. I'm optimistic this will work. I haven't tested this yet. So there you see it. So this does not have a soft close or anything, but it does soft open. So let's go back to the wide angle thing. It doesn't work there. Alright, well, let's just pop that off and do it again here. Sorry, I have a terrible habit of filming vertically. Take 3? I don't know, take 3. So I lowered it down. Like I said, this is on wide angle, so it's like a little skewed. That's what it actually looks like. Okay, let's see if this one works. Ta-da! Ta-da! Alright, so, I mean, kind of wanted it to go higher, but whatever, that's okay. Yeah. Well, I mean, I could always get a longer one. One with a longer stroke or whatever. Whatever, that's great for now. Sweet. Cool. Let's back up. Oh, God. Okay. Whew. Yeah, so obviously, still working away. I'll do another video shortly. There's lots to update on. Oh, but here, let's see this baby. So it does not, once again, have a soft close. I guess I should probably put the light back on. Oh, yeah, I'm replacing the seal and painting, baiting the latch and stuff. Anyways, so yeah, and let's do this. Open sesame. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty sweet. Okay. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Not 5S in my workspace. Not yet. it's also 11 o'clock at night, and kids are sleeping, neighbors are sleeping, everybody's sleeping. Yeah. All right. Cool. Yay. Okay. The closing, it's not exciting. It's the opening. That's really what sells us. Ah. Oh, failure to launch. So yeah, I think that is pretty sweet. Those things are like, I don't know, these struts for like $20 off Amazon, and I have the hardware already, so seems like a super sweet upgrade. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I can give you the part numbers for this one. It's 100 Newton, so like a 20-pound, something like that. But yeah, like I said, it's kind of a, maybe not the best, but I don't know. I think that looks pretty good, right? Yeah. I don't know. I think that's pretty good. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. Like, I don't know. Ah. Okay, I gotta clean up and go to bed. I gotta work at 5:30. So, yeah. Cool.